Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to add scrolling image carousel section in your Shopify website. Right now as you can see we are into admin dashboard and we have simply clicked on online store and added theme. Okay, so we are into this page, okay, and I want to add a section over here, right? So let's click on add section in the left side toolbar, right? Or you can use the setup guide as well. So here we can simply use the setup guide by clicking on this option, and here you can type whatever you want, right? Shopify is super easy. So here I'm just typing I want to add a hero carousel, right? Okay, so it is giving me the option to it. I've clicked over here, and then you can simply submit it, right, and it will automatically create a hero carousel for you. It will take few moments, few seconds, might be within a minute or 2 minutes, right, for writing the code and all, and then your hero area would be displayed over here. Okay, so it have finished its job, right? And here you can see you can also add the follow-up instruction. If you think that something is not as per your expectation, you can again give it in the command. So here you can see, so navigation arrows are over here, right? You can show dot indicators, autoplay slide, autoplay speed. You can adjust the slide height in your desktop version or mobile version separately, right? From here in the left side toolbar itself, right? And if I talk about the content layout, then horizontal alignment, vertical alignment, you can set these as well. You can make changes to the button style, navigation arrows, dot indicators. You can change the slide as well. So let us add an image, right? So I have selected this image, clicked on done. Okay, so this image have been added, right? You can edit the image and you can add the alt text, right? As we have already discussed that alt text is necessary for the SEO, right? Alternative text you should mention while uploading an image. Okay, exit. Now you can also change the heading, text, button link from here, right? You can simply add whatever the page link you want to add over here, right? Similarly, let's jump into the slide 2, right? This slide is also enabled. You can simply add any of the image. So let's select this one, click on done. Previously, we have learned about the hero banner, right? And right now we are discussing about the hero carousel. Both are different things, right? Hero banner generally shows only a single banner, whereas the carousel is basically an image slider, right? Similarly, you can add the image 3. Okay, click on done, and you can simply change the heading and text, right? You can keep three different headings for three different slides and three different meta description, and you can also change the button link, right, in all the slides. You can also disable any slide, as I don't require the slide 4 and 5, so I have kept them turned off, right? So as you can see, you can also change the speed, right, from here. Okay, so it's basically done, right? You can also move this section upward, right, by dragging and dropping. So let's click on save. Okay, let it save, and it's done. So in this manner you can simply add a hero carousel in your Shopify website. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.